Hi guys, welcome back to Hollywood Hooligans channel. In this episode, I will present basic kit and equipment for set dressers on film and TV shows. Of course, with the toolkit you need the skills also. Okay guys, we will start with the list. Toolbox or the belt. Guys, my recommendation is to have both. Cordless drill and the drill bits, markers and sharpies, pen and pencils, notebook, ruler, small level, utility knife, pocket calculator. In these days, I will say cell phone, razor scraper, industrial staple, and magnet, scissors, paint scraper, measure tape. How that work? They calling that vice grips? Ah! That's dump grip. Hammer. Pliers. Side cutters, multi-driver, woohoo! And small driver. Two wrenches, steel toe boots. Well guys, you have to get used of that. Flashlight, Allen keys, hard hat, work gloves, rubber boots, rain gear, woohoo! Well guys, that was a basic kit, but we're using much more than that. Well guys, I will recommend this one, which is very handy. You have like multi-tool and every day you can use that. You can have that on your belt. Thank you for following our channel. Subscribe, like and share. See ya. Take care. Where is that special fat guy at? No, I don't like that water. Fuck, that's fuck.